All right, if you're here, that means you're ready for the breakdown. You saw the last video. You heard the part about cilantro and detox. Now let's talk about the rest of the kids, the ingredients, and what they actually do, what their functions are, and how it affects your body, your energy, your field, your overall everything. So first up, of course, the star of the show, avocado. Element is earth. Its function: nourishes the nervous system, balances hormones, comforts and calms the body. Spiritual layer. This is heart medicine. It soothes grief and grounds you when you're feeling scattered. Hidden code. Avocado is a carrier. It takes the energy of every other ingredient that's in the bowl and helps push it deeper into your cells, and it doesn't just feed it, it delivers it. My guacamole, I use red onion. Red onion, element, fire, air. Function: clears bacteria, supports lung health, purifies the blood. Spiritual layer. Onion is the revealer. It peels back the fake, helps you see people, energy, and even memories clearly. Hidden code: it's a grief extractor. It pulls pain from your fields that you never put into words, stuff that you were storing deep in your cells. Jalapeño, element, come on, fire. It boosts circulation, boosts metabolism and immune response. Spiritual layer, this is a blockbuster. It forces truth to the surface, breaks stagnation, and moves stuck energy out. Come on. Comes in like fire, burning. What does it do? It burns off energy, stuck, stagnant energy. Hidden code: jalapeno brings courage, reactivates willpower when you've been depleted. This one's for those who feel numb. Lime, water, air element. Function: alkalizes, cuts mucus, supports digestion and clarity. Spiritual level: it clears the throat and heart, helps restore your voice after betrayal or burnout. Hidden code: lime is a cord cutter. It breaks energetic contracts made through the voice vows, guilt, silence. I use scallion in mine. Element: air and earth. Function: gently simulates lymph, supports circulation, boosts early immune response. Spiritual layer. This one is quiet, but it's powerful. It acts as an aura sensor, helps you detect when something is off even before it hits your body. Hidden code: scallion shows up in ancestor rituals across cultures. It's subtle, but it keeps the space clean. So yeah, you're not just eating guacamole, you're literally crafting an herbal healing spell for your body, your gut, your spirit, your emotional field, all at once. This isn't just chips and dip. This is ancient medicine disguised as a snack. And if you made it this far, you already knew that. Your body's telling you, you got to listen to what, I'm speaking about, because our bodies know, our bodies signal us. So if something I say resonates with you, your body's going to tell you. You're going to get goosebumps. You may sneeze. You may yawn. You may hear a honk. You may see a butterfly. Like, spirit communicates with us in different ways. 3, 2, 1 on that. Blast off time. Source keeps saying, keep talking. There is a different post that I made about how your body communicates with you. So I'm going to throw that up into my stories, or maybe I'll just make a new one. We'll see how the vibe goes on that. But now I'm gonna make this guacamole because I put everything in teleprompter, because my brain, ADHD brain, how am I gonna remember what I need to deliver? Because as I'm talking, it's like Source is dropping new stuff into my head. And it's like, in order for me to keep everything organized, all the tabs, this is how I had to do it. I'm gonna figure out different ways of, making this more fun than me just standing here talking like a freaking school teacher. I'm more animated than that. Like, we need to have hands-on. But anyway, double tap that screen because, we're not bots here. Give me a follow if you like what I'm sharing. If it speaks to you on a soul level, that's your higher self saying, this is where you need to be. This is the frequency that's going to help you rise up. So on that note, come back for what I drop next, because Source is, always feeding me new information. So thank you for watching.